episode 17. I had some time over the week and I have fully welded almost everything. I have found some additional spots I need to repair. This will be like again updated status video, or how you should call it, but I will cover the rocker panel today, and the one thing I want to repair also is, I will show you now. So this is the front piece. My is damaged because of some car accident, and I want to weld it in. So this is straight, and afterwards, when I will put the fender on, nothing will be visible. So yeah, this is what I want to repair. Hopefully again, this is last video of welding the flooring. Sure, there will be a lot of welding afterwards, because I will change arches. I will trim them to fit the wider fenders from our local guys. Sorry, small teaser for you. So the E36 will be wider than stock, and yes, I will move forward with repairs, and I will keep you updated.
I hit record a drop, you can't ignore it. I'm transforming now these cars and planes, I'm always boarding. Just out touring down in Charlotte like I play for Hornets. When I'm performing, never boring, now you can't afford it. Champagne Perrier, finished friends on my face, looking like I'm from the deep. These no Cartiers, pockets deep, bro. I can make it in my seat, bro. Do you, I'm doing me, bro. Making noise, use a peep, bro. Whoa, I press the button and the doors go up like.
So this is the end of day 1 of episode 17. I have made some repairs, some small pieces which I have left from the last time, and I have welded everything up here, and I also have tack welded the outer rocker panel. I will finish with welding tomorrow, and tomorrow I need to repair the front piece, which I have showed you earlier. So this was a good day. I'm happy with the result. I'm happy that the body is transforming, and that in nearest future it will be ready. And yeah, so till tomorrow. Day 2, and as you saw just a couple of seconds ago, I have tack welded this piece, and today I will weld it to the body, and after that I will go and weld everything from the front. So nothing new to say, so I will start working, and hopefully today I will finish with this side of the car.
Down in Charlotte like I play for Hornets. When I'm performing, never boring, now you can't afford it. Champagne Perrier, finished friends on my face. Looking like I'm from the deep. These no Cartiers. Pockets deep, 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 bro. I can make it in my seat, bro. Do you, I'm doing me, bro. Making noise, use a beat, bro. Whoa. I press the button and the doors go off like, whoa. That money clip us now, the new now looks like, whoa. Upgrade her diamonds, now her girlfriends are like, whoa. Neighborhood on the scene, neighborhood on the strip. Neighborhood be the name, neighborhood no crib. Neighborhood that's me, neighborhood that's Nick. Neighborhood do the dance, neighborhood do the dip. Okay, thought I'd never make it like no way. I'm the real deal, no role play. My days off, that's no days. No, I hustle hard, young rose. E be the shooter, that's cold case. Those on the deals, that's rose.
I ran out of batteries on my cameras, but I will show you what I have done till now. So I have fully welded this piece as I showed you, as I told you before. I wanted to finish with it, and I have also started with repairing the floor, the front panel, as it was crazy damaged and also crazy repaired before. So this is, I have already straightened it, and I need to weld this part back here. So this will be finished next time. I really hope that I will finish today, but some small thing take a lot of time. And yeah, it's already like 9 p.m. and I should go home. But hopefully I will find the time during the week and come after work here and finish some small bits like here and welding up this from the inside. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my Instagram channel. Have a nice weekend, and see you next time.